Namaskar. This morning we speak about relationships. Relationships not with objects or any other activities, but specifically relationships with people. Now, we as humans have a tendency to establish relationship with anyone we see. That has been our cultural conditioning, and I believe it would be the same in all cultures. Now, there is what I understand is all relationships are transactional in nature, nothing permanent. So, they do not have to be viewed from the mirror of permanentness or the ones that would be the ones who would be with you all throughout. All relationships are there for a purpose. They are there till the purpose exists. Long back, when I was in class 11th, and there was a teacher who taught us partnership, about the partnership firms. The first thing he told was partnerships are formed to be broken. And that is very true. Partnerships are there till the needs of both are met. They come for the purpose of complementing each other, and they exist till that time. So, in our personal lives also, the relationships are transactional in nature. Whatever relationship we see, it is transactional. We make an error in judging and get attached to them, and ultimately try to fulfill the needs, the desires that we have erroneously formed, and then suffer. A salesman, when we go to, say, any builder or to buy anything, a salesman, he tries to give us a feeling that he is our well-wisher and that he would assist us in making a choice that is beneficial for us. That is a projection. We get wheeled, our intellect gets wheeled, and we believe him. And that is where we take a wrong step. Salesman, his allegiance, his loyalty would not be towards you. It would always be towards the one who is making the payment, who is paying him, that is his employer. But he projects as if he is your well-wisher. This is happening in almost all relationships on social front. I need not name anyone, but they are generally everywhere. Now, while dealing with them, it becomes therefore necessary to have a discrimination. We should be able to discriminate between the relationships. Recently, there was a pandemic, Corona, and we have seen how committed the relationships are, how people have left their near and dear ones to die, how the people did not even bother to cremate or to even have a last darshan of the bodies of their near and dear ones. This is the relationship, all transactional in nature. Therefore, the earlier and with more accuracy that we are able to discriminate, we would be more comfortable and there would be no cause of any worry or any anxiety or any heartburns. The best relationship and the only relationship is yours with your own self. That is, self is the only relationship. Relationship as the subject with the subject, not subject with the object. And this forms the basis of the Vedantic teachings. There is only one, and that is one. That one is the subject. That one is you. That one is the self. I personally feel that it is not necessary, having understood the real nature of the relationships, having discriminated, it is not necessary to discard the relationships. Continue with the relationships, understanding that they are transactional in nature, not making any castles in the air about the relationship, not having any expectation in return, and always be ready to part with the relationship, not to cling to it. That is it. And the relationships beyond a point, they will get dropped automatically. They will not find any interest in continuing with you. So they will drop. And gradually this will keep on increasing, expanding to various relationships till there is a social isolation. The society itself would disown you, and that is perfectly fine. We know what is happening, we know how things are being done, and that's about all. It should not cause any misfeelings or misgivings in our own minds, in our own hearts. They should be as clear as they were, and they will always be clear. But the nature of relationship is always transactional, temporary. Thank you.